Hello, dear friends. I am Dr. BK Garg. I am plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing at Iconic Clinic in Gurugram. In this video, I will discuss various treatments which we can perform while doing non-surgical intimacy enhancement for women.
आइकॉनिक बाय डॉक्टर बीके गर्ग के यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना न भूलें ताकि कोई वीडियो कभी ना छूटे।
So, there are various issues which happen with aging or pregnancy or hormonal changes among women which they are afraid to discuss. One of them is laxity or voluminous of vaginal cavity. Since long time, this is a problem which leads to a reduction in sensation of pleasure, and sometimes there can be dissatisfaction among both partners because of laxity of vaginal canal. This is generally an outcome of pregnancy or hormonal changes happening with aging. There can be some dryness associated with it because of aging, or sometimes because of childbirth trauma or childbirth experience. There can be some significant laxity also. Till date, this was generally managed by surgical procedures which had significant downtime. Now, we have non-surgical treatments using various energy devices to achieve similar or equal results. These procedures have no downtime and generally take around 25 to 30 minutes to perform. In this procedure, we use an energy device which can be laser based or it can be ultrasonic energy based. Using this device, we achieve rejuvenation of internal vaginal canal, which leads to enhancement of collagen synthesis and rejuvenation. This is just one part of intimacy area enhancement. Apart from that, we can make use of enhancement using PRP or platelet-rich plasma also. This treatment can also be combined at the time of doing non-surgical vaginal area enhancement and rejuvenation. We have found in our experience that this procedure has satisfying results and most of our patients are very satisfied with outcomes of these procedures. The major benefit of these procedures is that they have no telltale signs or scarring, and you can walk in and walk out of these procedures and do not need any preparation. We offer these procedures with complete confidentiality and sensitivity. All our procedures are performed by our trained female practitioners and it's very safe procedure. All our devices are FDA approved and we'll be very happy to help you. If you have any of these issues, please get in touch with us in complete confidentiality and in privacy. Thank you.